Hi, welcome to Conversion Conversations. This is Cameron, and today I'm taking a look at the Transformers Generation Selects Shattered Glass set. We have Shattered Glass Optimus Prime and Ratchet here. I was actually surprised. For some reason, I thought this was like an Earthrise set. I thought this was part of their Earthrise planet-hopping like multi-pack group of whatever you want to call that toy line. Where there was some like evil shattered glass planet, but I guess that's not the case. But here, yeah, we do have Earthrise versions of both these characters in awesome colors. This is the first time I've had a Shattered Glass Optimus in hand, and I really like his color scheme. I mean, the purple, the blue, all that looks really, really awesome. They did a nice paint job doing the damage. I really like that they didn't do like the bad siege battle damage that we've seen everywhere. We have seen this transformation before. I've reviewed the Earthrise Optimus Prime before, and I have that alternate universe Optimus Prime. But yeah, just in general, I mean, he looks good. I for some reason on my copy, I can't get this top tab to lock in securely, which is annoying. But other than that, I mean, everything about him looks really, really good. I guess if this was the Siege Optimus Prime, I'd probably be holding on to this figure because it's a color scheme I don't have, and it's a mold that I haven't kept. But as it is the Earthrise mold, I kind of want to keep Dead Prime instead. So I'll probably be doing a giveaway for this guy. And then here we have Ratchet, and Ratchet looks great. I really like the Shattered Glass Ratchet colors. I love this, what do you call that, teal. For some reason, having, and this is weird, and this is probably just me, having the feet be a different color than the rest of the van makes them stick out in a way that makes the feet okay to me. It's like, oh, it's some weird alien booster thing rather than just, oh, it's robot feet disguised as a van. I do kind of wish, and I realized they couldn't get it working with the colors, I wish that this teal wasn't transparent, that this was painted, and then that they did the whole window across. The fact that they picked out like white around the windows does help. It looks like, okay, yes, there's a separate viewing port back here, but then I'd wish that they did teal paint here and here, kind of kept it consistent. Overall, though, I think he looks really nice as well. Again, missing some paint on the front, maybe some lights picked out, the wheels picked out in maybe a silver paint or something would have been nice. But again, like we've got that lovely purple Autobot logo, he looks pretty good. So we've seen transformations on both of these guys. I've done reviews on Earthrise Ironhide and Earthrise Ratchet, as well as the alternate universe Optimus Prime. So we're going to fast forward through transformation here. And here are Shattered Glass Ratchet and Prime together, and they look awesome again. I think purple is just a color I really like, and this teal is just a color I really like. So they both do work a lot for me. This is the first time we're getting Shattered Glass Optimus Prime in these proportions. We got him before, the first one was the Classics mold. The second one was the Masterpiece MP10, I believe. And then we haven't gotten MP44, so he does look really, really good in these colors. For me, I think a big thing is these eyes, like that head sculpt, and there we go. Those eyes looks really, really good. The color, the dark blue, that orange on his little crest piece, that looks awesome. I do have, and you saw it pop off, my head piece here is a little loose, unfortunately. He's got all his classic articulation. I did, in this mode, I was able to get the top to peg in fine on his back. But yeah, he just looks really good. In terms of complaints, I mean, this is a really solid mold. There aren't a ton. His gun is a little loose. It doesn't peg in fully, so that's a little unfortunate. It's likely to just come a little undone when you're posing him. He's got great posability that we've seen before. This is, the most posable Optimus Prime at mass retail we've gotten. I think even the red figure doesn't I think it matches this posability, but it doesn't really exceed it, which is surprising. Maybe it's got double elbows. I'm not 100% sure. But I've heard that the red line, the limited posability for what was advertised as posable toys is a little unfortunate. We can open up his chest, and we've got our inverse matrix. What is it called? Like Matrix of Chaos or something. And this is, again, really nice. Let's get it out of there. There we go. So what it is transparent yellow plastic that's been painted with a silver and purple, and I really, really like the look of that. This is a color scheme I really want to own. It's just not going to be this particular figure. I think there will be plenty of times for me to get Optimus Prime in the future, and I hope we do more Shattered Glass. In terms of Ratchet, he is awesome. Again, awesome head sculpt. Love the eyes. Love the dark gray face. I think just this dark gray looks really, really good compared to the unpainted plastic. His shield works for me. I know I talked about the shield before. In terms of looseness on either figure, they're both very solid. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with Ratchet here. And Ratchet I'm going to be keeping. He just makes me, like, I don't know, something about him just makes me really, really happy. I don't have any Shattered Glass figures yet, so I might repurpose him as just an entirely new character. I'm not sure yet, but I really, really dig him. And Optimus Prime here, while I'm not keeping him, I think just with the way he looks, this set is another easy recommendation. If you appreciate deep dive fan stuff, it's really awesome that Hasbro Pulse was able to give us these figures together as, you know, an homage, and I'm hoping this means we get more Shattered Glass in the future. Getting Jazz in Ricochet colors will be awesome if we can do that. Maybe Soundwave, we got Netflix Soundwave. Getting Soundwave in his colors would be really cool. I'm looking forward to more of this. With that being said, I am keeping Ratchet, but if anyone is interested in Optimus Prime here, I am doing another giveaway. So just like all my other giveaways, if you don't know how they work, in my videos I announce a winner, so you'll see in a second I'll announce the winner of my previous giveaway, which is the Dominus Criminal Pursuit 2-pack. But to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is put a comment in the video below saying, hey, I'd like to enter that giveaway. And then I will tally up everyone who wanted to enter, I'll draw a random name, and then in next week's video, I'll select and announce a winner. So if you'd like to get Shattered Glass Optimus Prime, just let me know, and then we will go to the announcement of the winner for the last giveaway. Thanks, everyone. Okay, like I've said before in my videos, to join a giveaway, all you ever have to do is leave a comment in the video saying you want to be in on the giveaway, and when I tally them all up, I'll give it a little heart, and that'll help me keep track of who's entered. So here are all the entries for the Dominus Criminal Pursuit 2-pack. I'll do this same thing again next week during that Tuesday video to announce the winner of the Shattered Glass Optimus Prime. I took all these entries here, and I put them here. We had 38 entries, which is awesome. I think a lot of people were pretty excited to win this. So here is everyone, and we're going to pick a random number between 1 and 38. Between 1 and 38. Let's see who won. 21 is John Roberts. Congratulations, John Roberts. I think this was the first time, I don't remember you being in previous giveaways. So congrats to John Roberts. First entry, I think, first win. So you, to claim your prize, let me find you in here. There you are. John Roberts, just hit me up on any sort of social media. If you go to our YouTube About page, you can see, you can find me on Twitter, on Discord, on Facebook, on Reddit, wherever you want to reach out, do so, and I will get Optimus... Oh, no, not Optimus Prime. I will get the Dominus Criminal Pursuit 2-pack wrapped up and shipped out to you within the week. All right, congratulations, and I'll catch everyone next time. Have a great day, everyone.